If you feel like your dishes are not coming out as clean as they should, it may mean your dishwasher needs a good cleaning. And I am thrilled that Active sent me their dishwasher cleaner for review, as this will clean my dishwasher for me. Let me show you how easy this is. Now you get 24 tablets and they're each individually wrapped and really have no smell at all. They're really designed just to keep your dishwasher super clean so your dishes stay clean, and they recommend using these about every 2 weeks. I lean more to once a month, but do what's best for your dishwasher. Now, to use them is super simple. You really just throw one of these tablets into your regular dispenser tray and run your dishwasher on normal while empty. And one thing that makes a huge difference is to take out this bottom filter, which is where so much of the gross stuff lives anyway, and wash this by hand while the rest of the dishwasher is getting cleaned. So I'll give that a run and show it to you on the other side. This might just be the cleanest this dishwasher has ever been since we've lived here. It's looking really good. There was still some water in the bottom, so I emptied that out. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be water in there, but what was in there was super, super clean. There were no smells. Everything looks great. So I'm just gonna put the filter back in, let this dry out completely, and it's good to go. And you definitely will need to hand wash this piece, as it's very hard for the dishwasher to get all the grime off of this. It needs a physical scrub. I'm gonna stick that back in there, make sure it's locked. Active Dishwasher Cleaner made that so easy. I am so grateful for a quick and easy way to clean my dishwasher in my busy life.